Digital payments are shaping the future, and Jamaica is catching on quickly. From online shopping to paying bills, more people are choosing faster, cashless options every day. And if you've ever wanted to use Bitcoin for something practical like topping up your phone, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Download the app. First, download the Flash Rewards and Payments app. You'll find it in the App Store for iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android. Step 2. Fund your Flash wallet. Top up your Flash wallet using any of the funding methods available inside the app. And don't worry, if you ever get stuck, Flash has support built right in. Just reach out and they'll walk you through it. Step 3. Sign up for Bitrefill. Head over to Bitrefill and sign up for a free account. Bitrefill lets you use crypto to buy gift cards, mobile credit, and services worldwide, including Jamaica's major phone providers. Step 4. Purchase phone credit. Once you're signed in, search for your provider, whether it's Digicel or Flow. Enter the number you want to top up, select the credit amount, and when you're ready to pay, be sure to choose Bitcoin Lightning as your payment method. This option is faster, cheaper, and processes in seconds compared to regular Bitcoin transactions. Confirm your purchase, and almost instantly your phone will be topped up. And that's it, you've just bought phone credit in Jamaica with Bitcoin Lightning. It's fast, reliable, and a glimpse of how digital payments are changing the way we do everyday transactions. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on using crypto in Jamaica.